2 and 3 and 4 for the molds, to make molds. Here is one of the factories, the biggest. I mean, in the fourth floor, they are manufacturing our easy socket. We have people working, installing the spring to the bracket. These people is working right now in the process of the assembling for the socket. Installing the little center of the machine. And there are two machines about. Here are the final inspection of the product. Here is where they're putting the final review product. And this guy is packaging the socket. That night were about 25 people working on this process. Here is all the packaging for us. This is socket model EC101.
再过来行了，真的，在这块。
This is the end of the day.
这行政好举手。